Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe I'm filming this right now. Is this actually really happening? I received an email 3 days ago from Selfridges saying that I had been invited to breakfast with Huda Beauty, the Huda Beauty, the tycoon of the makeup industry. I still can't believe this is happening. On my way here, I actually thought that there would be 50 to 60 people at least. But when I get here, and by the way, it's in the brasserie inside of Selfridges, I get here and there's literally about 10 to 15 selected bloggers to come out and have breakfast with Huda Beauty. How surreal is that? How amazing an opportunity is that? So the woman in question is actually running late, so I'm going to take you into the brasserie and I'm going to introduce you to some of the bloggers that are already there. I feel like we're a Tweety. So I've just bumped into Tweety and she's late.
Oh, hi! She made what an exciting day today.
We're both going to the same place and it was all embargoed and all. How hard was it to stay quiet?
Oh my god, I know, right? Yeah. I wanted to scream already.
I really wanted to say things on Snapchat and I had to keep very, very quiet. It's true there, by the way.
Oh, are you in the channel already?
Yeah.
Wow.
I actually don't even know how much content I'm going to have on this. I'm going to try and introduce you to everybody one by one.
Chanel from Babbling On. I have my own nail and beauty salon in Maidenhead and I'm a beauty influencer.
And we have a makeup artist, you guys might even recognize her. We have With Love Nadia on Instagram. And we have, look how tiny she is, so cute. What's your username on Instagram? Okay. And here we have on Instagram, what's your username?
It's Life of Blueberry.
Excellent. What do you do? You're a blogger?
Yes, fashion and lifestyle and makeup.
Are you excited to meet Huda?
Yeah,
I sure am. Guys, how stunning is she? Check out her makeup. How amazing is she? What is your... Oh, thank you.
Honey hands.
What's your username?
Honey hands.
Honey hands. Okay, we need to follow each other, right? Because
Look at her, guys.
First time we met.
Hey guys! Look how pretty she is. I love this coat that you're wearing.
Thank you.
Where's it from?
It's vintage. It's from a boutique.
Oh.
So I heard that Huda is downstairs, and my friend said that paparazzi are waiting there, and apparently like so many customers are there, so I think we're going to be waiting just a little bit longer. In case anyone isn't following you, can we have your username?
Oh yeah, I am Layla Love, and my YouTube is called Meet the Bloggers.
You need to reintroduce yourself. I love her.
Oh my god, you guys are so sweet. So my name is Tweet. I do Instagram and YouTube. So
We already know.
yeah, I'm nothing special, guys.
By the way, yes she is. By the way guys, my Instagram videos, the funny ones, the quirky ones, they're all inspired by Tweety.
Oh my god.
So if you're not following her, you need to click on the username and you need to go and see it.
Thank you so
Your
much.
videos are amazing. I take a lot of inspiration.
Thank you. Yeah, I was doing it crazy, like one every day, and it was just too fun.
madness.
Instagram videos are the way to grow. You want to build your platform, you want to grow, videos all the way.
You've grown amazing. And oh my god, your new palette. Congratulations. That's amazing, right?
It's available in super drug stores.
What an accomplishment, right?
So exciting. It's so crazy to go into a store and see your name on a product. It's one of the most surrealist experiences.
Do you get lots of followers sending you like pictures?
Oh my god, yeah. Whenever they use my hashtag, they always post on my stories, and I can't believe like people actually go out and spend their hard-earned money on my product. It's just amazing. Such a crazy experience.
And you're amazing.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Beauty here. I'm Gary, aka the Plastic Boy. So excited to meet you.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this room is
Oh my
like
god.
insane.
Oh my god, look at me again. Look at his highlight. Look at his highlight. Hot pin. What are you using?
I'm using those products called Royal Mamas.
Alright, so we've got...
Hey
what's
guys,
your
it's
username?
me, it's Danny. My name's Danny the Freitas. Check it out.
Are you excited to meet Huda?
I'm so excited right now. I've never met her before. I love her, I love what she stands for, I love her message. She's like a boss woman, you know? Like absolutely, so I'm really, really excited. And apparently she's wearing something stunning, so.
Alright. You're on YouTube! Yay! Woo! This is literally the space of our room, guys. This is it. I actually thought that there would be so many people and how are we gonna get a chance to actually mingle with her? But this is it. She's gonna be here soon. This is exciting. Okay, we've got Jake Jamie from Instagram.
Good morning. It's very, very early. I was up at 4 o'clock this morning, so lots of concealer to hide these bags. But you came from Birmingham too, right?
Yeah, that's right. But I've been in London for the last 2 days.
Oh, okay.
Okay, tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you do?
So I do lots of DIYs, lots of skincare stuff, lots of makeup, It's just, I like to do lots of things that are really fun and a little bit cool.
Are you excited to meet Huda?
I haven't met her before actually, she's really fun.
Where did you meet her?
I went to Dubai, I actually filmed with the girls, we're quite good friends and they're
Alright, oh
really
wow, nice. I can't believe it guys, we are with...
Hi guys, Kattan, and I'm just eating some croissant.
Are you excited to meet Huda? Have you ever met her before?
No, never met her before. Followed her for years. I'm a makeup artist as well, so it's just going to be amazing. And you're excited as well. Everyone's so excited. There's only like 25 of us as well, so it's so like more personal. Yeah.
I was literally stood there for 20 minutes just talking to her. She was so amazing. You know who you are. Her name was Iman. It was so amazing meeting you. I was supposed to, basically what happened was the private dining area was only booked for a short amount of time, so then we were asked to go down to the Huda beauty counter, and I bumped into a follower, so all the bloggers went there, and I'm late. And everything has started, I think, yes, and I'm walking to the Huda beauty counter. I'm late, but followers come first. Guys, it's still madness. They still want to see it. Can we have some noise around the Huda beauty counter? Woo! Hi guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here. It's all over. That's where Huda beauty was, with all of us taking pictures and all of the passers-by as well. I cannot believe what happened today. It's still sinking into my head. I cannot believe that we were handpicked by Huda beauty herself to come out and meet us and have breakfast with us. That's just a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and I feel so humbled so early on in my career to have met such an established woman like herself, and her sister Mona is so amazing. And do you guys know how they remembered me? Do you remember when I reviewed the Huda Beauty Foundation and I was like, hey Siri, have you heard of the Huda Beauty Foundation? They started laughing. They were like, yeah, we remember you from that. So it was amazing. And the best thing was, from afar they looked at us and were like, hey, oh my god, what a street, and they came over to us. So that again in itself was amazing, that we had recognition of our own personal handle names from Instagram. So amazing, such an amazing experience. I don't think I'll stop talking about it for days, and I'm truly humbled that I got to meet the both of them. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I shall see you all in another video, inshallah. Until next time, be yourself, keep it real. Assalamu alaikum.